Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to turn on daily email notifications for top posts and stories on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This feature helps you stay updated with trending posts and major stories without constantly checking your feed. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving on. Once the app is open, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a panel with several icons and options. Click on Notifications. After opening Notifications, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it to go directly into your notification settings. Inside the notification settings, choose Preferences. This section controls how and when you receive updates from X. Once you're in Preferences, select Push Notifications. Don't worry, this is where all your notification customization options are located. Now scroll down until you find the section called Top Posts and Stories. This is where you decide how often you want to hear from X about trending content. By default, it might be set to off or occasionally, but for this tutorial, you'll want to choose Daily. Click on Daily and you're all set. From now on, X will send you daily email notifications highlighting the top posts and stories, so you'll never miss what's buzzing across the platform. This is perfect for anyone who wants to stay informed, but prefers a summary instead of frequent app alerts. Before closing the app, double-check that your preference is saved. Once confirmed, you can exit the settings, and your new notification schedule will automatically take effect. That's all it takes to turn on daily email notifications for top posts and stories on the X app's new update. It's quick, simple, and helps keep your digital routine smarter and more organized. Thanks for watching.